Recognizing and celebrating your values. Recognizing and celebrating your own values can be a useful tool in addressing imposter syndrome and boosting your confidence. The following short activities were devised by Honeywell as a way to tackle imposter syndrome. For this exercise, you will be prompted to complete some short writing activities, so you may need a pen and paper to hand. In addition, you can download the handout that accompanies this screencast. This is particularly helpful if you would prefer to read on a different screen or on paper. You will be prompted to pause whilst you consider the activities and to press play when you're ready to continue. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Think of some of the times in your life when you've been the proudest, most satisfied, or most happy. Which of the following values comes to mind? Circle any that seem relevant, or you can add your own words if you would prefer. Just a reminder that this exercise is on the downloadable handout if this is easier to read. Otherwise, you can press pause whilst you consider this and press play when you're ready to continue. Exercise 2. Look at the values you circled in the previous exercise. Pick one and write 1 or 2 sentences about why this value is important to you. If you are not sure where to start, it is a good idea to imagine you're explaining this to a friend. Here's an example. Meaningful work is really important to me. It's what inspires me to study early years, as I hope to be able to make a real difference to children's lives in my future career. Press pause whilst you consider your own sentences, and press play when you're ready to continue. Exercise 3. Reflecting on your values. Think about the values you identified in the previous 2 exercises and rate the following statement. In general, I try to live up to these values. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You can press pause whilst you do this and press play when you're ready to continue. Exercise 4. Reflecting on your value to those around you. What was the last topic that someone asked you for advice on? Think about why they asked you and how you helped. Use the space on the handout to make notes. Let's look at an example. One of my friends was struggling to juggle caring for their younger sibling along with their college work. I was able to explain to them that I understood how they felt and why this is difficult. I made some suggestions about how they could manage this, and I think this made it easier for them to discuss with the rest of their family too. Now you can press pause whilst you consider your own example, and press play when you're ready to continue. So how did you find this? These short exercises can help you to develop a positive assessment of your own values and achievements. Repeat this exercise whenever you feel you need a confidence boost. This is one of the strategies that can help you to tackle some of the feelings associated with imposter syndrome.